Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alicia Cacapucha. I'm a student of the English Education Study Program class of 2024. In this video, I will explain how to use auxiliary verb and WH question in interrogative sentence, such as to do, to be, to have, and 9 WH question. The first verb is write. Question sentence. Do you want to write a novel someday? Does she write poems? Did she write the essay last year? Am I reading this currently? Are you reading a book now? Is she writing a letter? Was she reading her diary? Were we writing the same story? Have you written your assessment? Has it been written clearly? Had they written anything about the topic? What poetry did you write last time? Who wrote this document yesterday? When will you write a new song? Where we want to write our assessment? Why don't you write your homework? How do you write a formal letter? Which one do you want to write first? Whose book did you write last week? Whom do you want to write about in your story? Next, listen. Do you listen to music every day? Does she listen to podcasts regularly? Did they listen to the teacher explanation last week? Am I listening to the right channel? Are you listening to the radio now? Is she listening to her favorite playlist? Was I listening to the wrong person? Were they listening to the announcement early? Have they listened to the recording yet? Has she listened to the song before? Has he listened to your advice? What are they listening to? Who listened to the speech? When will he listen to me? Where do you listen to the news? Why is he still listening to podcasts? How often should you listen to a podcast in a week? Which do you listen to, your parents or your boyfriend? Whose podcasts do they listen to? Whom do you listen to at home? Next, read. Do you read books every day? Does she read novels in her free time? Did they read the article yesterday? Am I reading this currently? Are you reading the newspaper now? Is she reading the letter out loud? Not. Was she reading when you called him? Were they reading together? Were they reading together at the library? Have you read this book already? Has she read the message I sent? Had you read the introduction before starting? What do you like to read? Who taught you how to read? When did you read this book? Where do you usually read? Why are you reading this article? How often do you read newspaper? Which book are you planning to read next? Whose book did you read yesterday? Whom did you read the book to? Next, see. Do you see the star? Does she see the problem? Does he, she the problem? Did they see the incident last week? Am I saying things or is that real? Are you saying anyone right now? Is she saying something unusual? Was she saying the doctor yesterday? Were you saying someone else at the time? Have you seen this movie before? Has she seen her friend today? Had you seen her before she left? What did you see at the park? Where did you see that movie? Who Who did you see at the party last night? When did you see the incident happen? Why did you see him yesterday? How did you see the cat climb the tree? Whose pen did you see on the table? Which movie did you see over the weekend? Whom do you see walking down the street? Next, look. Do you look at the stars often? Often? Does he look happy to you? Did they look for the missing cat before? Am I looking at the right direction? Is she looking at you? Are they looking for something? Was I looking nervous during the meeting? Were they looking for the key yesterday? Has she looked for the lost dog? Have you looked at the menu yet? Had you looked at the time before leaving? What are you looking for? Who is looking at you? Where did you look for the book? When did you last look at the stars? Why do you look so tired? How do I look in this dress? Which way should I look to see the rainbow? Whom did you look at during the presentation? Whose picture are you looking at on the wall? Next, pay attention. Do you pay attention to the teacher explanation? Does she always pay attention to the details? Did they pay attention to the warning signs? Is she paying attention to what the doctor is saying? Am I the only one paying attention to the surroundings? Are the kids paying attention to the new rules? Was the driver paying attention to the road? Were the students paying attention to the science experiment? Have we ever paid attention to this issue before? Has your team paid attention to the client request? Had you ever had difficulty paying attention to a boring book? What happens if you don't pay attention in class? Who should we pay attention to when giving a presentation? Where should we pay attention when crossing the road? When do you usually pay attention to the news? Why should we pay attention to the lecture during the lesson? How can we teach children to pay attention in class? Which detail should I pay attention to in this document? Whom should we pay attention to during the meeting? Whose advice should we pay attention to before making a discussion? Next, sit. Do you sit here? Does she sit in the front row? Did they sit together at the meeting yesterday? Am I sitting in your spot? Is he sitting on the chair? Are we sitting in the right place? Were you sitting in the garden last evening? Was the dog sitting by the door? Have you been sitting here all days? Has she been sitting there for hours? Had he been sitting in the wrong place? What time do you sit down for dinner? Who is sitting next to you? Where do you usually sit in the classroom? When do you usually sit and relax? Why did you sit by yourself at the party? How long do you sit in the waiting room? Which chair do you want to sit on? Whose turn is it to sit in the main chair? Whom did you invite to you sit with us? Next, stand. Do we need to stand in line here? Does she always stand near the window? Did I stand on your table last time? Am I standing in the right place? Is she standing by the door? Are you standing up for your right? Was she standing under the tree? Were we standing too close to the stake? Have you ever stood on a mountain? Has she stood by your side all this time? Had they stood in the same spot before the incident? What makes you stand? What makes you stand out in a crowd? Who stand at the top of the ranking? Where should we stand during the event? When will the truth finally stand revealed? Why did she stand apart from the group? How long can you stand in this position? Which stand saw the best coffee here? Whom did you meet at the stand yesterday? Whose responsibility is it to clean the stand? Next, teach. Do you teach English? Does she teach at your school? Did he teach you last semester? Am I teaching the right way? Are you teaching now? Is he teaching online? Was she teaching math yesterday? Were you teaching when I called you? Have you ever talked abroad? Has he taught this topic before? Had she taught before joining this school? What do you teach at school? Who do you teach every weekend? Where did you learn to teach such a complex topic? When do you usually teach this lesson? How do you teach online effectively? Why do you school teach history to students? Which subject do you prefer to teach? Whom did she teach last semester? Whose book are you using to teach grammar? Next, learn. Do you learn English every day? Does she learn new things at school? Did they learn how to swim last summer? Am I learning at the right place? Are you learning something new? Is she learning how to drive? Was she learning French last year? Were they learning in the library yesterday? Have you learned this topic before? Has she learned the basic already? Had they learned about this history? What did you learn in school today? Who inspired you to learn painting? Where can I learn more about this topic? When did you learn to ride a bicycle? Where did you learn to cook like that? Why do you want to learn English? How do children learn new language so quickly? Whom do you learn English grammar from? Whose note are you learning from? Which course are you learning now? Next, speak. Do you speak Korean? Does she speak English? Did they speak to the manager yesterday? Am I speaking too fast? Is he speaking right now? Are you speaking with your boss later? Was she speaking on the phone early? Were they speaking in the Spanish at the meeting? Have you spoken to him about the issue? Has she spoken to the teacher yet? Had they spoken about this before the meeting? The meeting? What do you speak to her about? Who do you usually speak to when you have a problem? Where do people usually speak this language? When did you last speak with your teacher? Why do you want to speak with him? How long does it take to learn to speak fluently? Which topic do you prefer to speak about? Whom did she speak with at the party? Whose opinion do you often speak about? Next, walk. Do you walk to office every day? Does she walk faster than his brother? Did they walk to the park yesterday? Am I walking in the right direction? Is she walking home alone? Are we walking together tomorrow? Was he walking in the park this morning? Were they walking when it started to rain? Have you ever walked in the forest at night? Has she walked to school before? Had they walked this far before the incident? What shoes do you wear when you walk? Who do you usually walk this with after school? Where do you usually walk in the morning? When will you walk to Deliberry? Why do you walk instead of taking a bus? How far can you walk in 1 hour? Which road do you usually walk to school on? Whom did you see walking in the park yesterday? Whose turn is it to walk the dog today? Next, breathe. Bird, breathe. Do you take a deep breath before speaking in public? Does he lose his breath while climbing stairs? Did they catch their breath after running? Am I breathing too fast? Are you out of breath after jogging? Is she holding her breath during the game? Was he out of breath after running the marathon? Were they able to catch their breath in time? Have you ever held your breath underwater? Has she taken a breath of fresh air recently? Had they caught their breath before continuing? What does it mean to take a deep breath? When do you usually feel out of breath? Where can you go to enjoy fresh air and take a deep breath? Why do we need to catch our breath after running? How long can you hold your breath underwater? Who taught you the importance of controlling your breath? Which exercise helped you improve your breath control? Whom did you help when they were gasping for breath? Bird, breathe. Whose breath did you hear in the silent room? Next, present. Do you present your project today? Does she present the report every week? Did they present their ideas clearly? Am I ready to present my work? Are they ready to present their proposal? Is she always present in class? Have you been present during all the seasons? Has she been present at all time meetings? Had you present your idea to the team before the meeting? What do you plan to you present at the seminar? Who is present during the meeting? Where did you keep the present? When will you present your project to the teacher? How many people are present in the hall? Which present do you think he will like? Whom should I present this idea to? Whose name was mentioned during the presentation? Next, discuss. Do you have time to discuss the project update? Does he discuss important matters with his team? Did they discuss the agenda during the meeting yesterday? Am I the one who should discuss this issue? Are you ready to discuss the plan? Is Is this the right time to discuss our future plans? Was the topic discussed in yesterday's meeting? Were they able to discuss the main points clearly? Have you been discussing this issue for a long time? Has she ever discussed her dream with you? Had the manager discussed the change with the staff? What shall we discuss in the meetings? Who will discuss the main topic? Where will we discuss the new project? When can we discuss the proposal? Why do we need to discuss the issue now? How should we discuss this sensitive matter? Which topic do you want to discuss in the meeting? Whom did you discuss the project with yesterday? Whose opinion do you value the most when discussing strategies? Next, erase. Do you erase mistake when writing? Does he always erase error in his document? Did she erase her drawing yesterday? Am I supposed to erase this line? Is he erasing the board now? Are you trying to erase the stain? Was the message erased incidentally? Were they erasing the whiteboard during class? Have you erased the old data yet? Has she erased all the evidence? Had they erased their past mistake before moving forward? What did you erase from the board? Who erased the text on the wall? Where do you erase the message? When will you erase the drawing? Why do you want to erase the history? How do I erase this mistake on paper? Which file did you erase? Whom should I ask before erasing this file? Whose name should I erase from the list? Next, memorize. Do you memorize vocabulary every day? Did you memorize the poem yesterday? Does he memorize the lyric of the song? Am I correct in how I memorize the step? Are the students memorizing the poem right now? Is your friend good at memorizing long sentences? Was she memorizing the presentation last night? Were they memorizing the same song yesterday? Have you memorized all the answer? Has he memorized the new vocabulary? Had they memorized all the tenses? What do you need to memorize for the test? Who in your family is best at memorizing things? Where can I find tips to help me memorize better? When did you start to memorize new vocabulary? How do you memorize quickly? Which subject do you struggle to memorize the most? Whom did you teach how to memorize the formula? Whose study habit do you follow to memorize better? Next, educate. Does school educate you about teamwork? Does school educate you about teamwork? Did school educate you about teamwork? Are school educating you about? Is school educating you about? Am I being educated about teamwork in school? Was school educating you about teamwork? Was school educating you about teamwork? Have school educated you about teamwork? Has school educated you about teamwork? Had school educated you about teamwork? What can we do to educate the community? Where can I educate myself about new technologies? When should we educate the student about critical thinking? Why is it essential to educate people on mental health? Who is responsible for educate the youth in our society? Which methods are most effective to educated adults? Whom should we consult to educate ourselves about in the legal system? Whose role is it to educate the children about safety? How can we best educate ourselves on cultural difference? Next, compile. Do you know how to compile the code? Does this program compile without error? Did they compile the report yesterday? Am I compiling this correctly? Is the software compiling properly? Are the students compiling their project? Was the file compiled successful? Were they compiling the code all night? Have you compiled the document yet? Has the system compiled the result? Have we compiled the presentation slide correctly? What do they compile every week? Where do they compile the reports? When did they compile the find? Why should we compile the document now? Who is compiling the data for the project? Which document need to be compiled? Whom did you consult before compiling the report? Whose notes are being compiled for the presentation? And how is she compiling the data for analysis? Next, punish. Do they punish student for being late? Did the teacher punish the student yesterday? Does she punish her employees for making mistake? Am I going to be punished for the mistake? Are the students punished for being noisy in class? Is he being punished for his dishonesty? Was he punished for his bad behavior? Were you punished at school last week? Have they punished the guilty party? Has she punished the student for skipping class? Had anyone punished you for your mistake before? What did he punish the student for? Where do they punish student for misbehavior? When will she punish the student? Why did he punish her for being late? Who punishes the student in the school? Which students are punished for cheating? Whom did the teacher punish for this group? Whose responsibility is it to punish the student? How do they decide how to punish student? Next, answer. Do you have the answer? Does she know the answer? Did she give the answer correctly last Monday? Am I giving the correct answer? Are you sure about the answer? Is this the final answer? Was the answer wrong? Were you happy with the answer? Have you written the answer? Has the team agreed on the answer? Had he checked the answer? What is the answer to this question? Where can I find the answer? When will you give me the answer? Why is that the correct answer? Who knows the answer to this riddle? Which answer is the most accurate? Whom should I ask for the answer? Whose answer do you think is best? How can I find the answer to this problem? Next, ask. Do you often ask for help? Does she ask questions in class? Did they ask about the project last night? Am I asking too much? Is he asking for advice? Are they asking the right question? Was you asking for direction? Were we asking the same thing? Have you asked the teacher yet? Has he asked about the result? Had they asked before sending? What question will you ask first? Where can I ask question? When is the best time to ask question? Why do they ask so many questions? Who often asks the third question? Which topic are best to ask about? Whom should I ask about the meeting? Whose help can we ask for? How can I ask question effectively? Next, mention. Do you mention about today's lesson? Does he mention today's lesson now? Did he mention about today's lesson yesterday? Are you mentioning today's lesson? Is he mentioning today's lesson? Am I mentioning today's lesson? Were you mentioning today's lesson? Was he mentioning today's lesson? Have you mentioned it today's lesson? Has she mentioned it today's lesson? Had they mentioned it today's lesson by then? What did you mention? Where did you want mention? The meeting will be held. When did she mention the deadline for the project? Why did he mention the topic during the discussion? Who did you mention as for reference in the application? Which book did you mention in your presentation? Whom did you mention as a potential candidate for the job? Whose name did you mention during the meeting? How often do you mention the topic in your articles? Next thing. Do you think we have a text tomorrow? Does she think we have a text next week? Did you think we had a text last Friday? Are they thinking of studying together for the exam? Are she thinking we have a text next week? Am I thinking about the text tomorrow? Was I thinking correctly about the text? Were you thinking we had a text last? Have you thought about whether we have a text? Has she thought about studying for the exam? Had they thought we would have a TED class? What do you think? Where do you think it is? When do you think we will start? Why do you think that happened? Who do you think will join us? Which option do you think is better? Whom do you think we should invite? Whose idea do you think it was? How do you think we can improve? Next, count. Do you count the student present today? Does she count the student present today? Did you count the student present yesterday? Are the student present counting? Is the attendance counting? Am I counting the student present? Was the teacher counting the student present? Were the student counting the attendance? Have you counted the student present? Has the teacher counted the student present? Had you counted the student present? What do you want to count today? Where should we count the votes? When will you count the number of attendance? Why do we need to count the inventory? Who can count the number of stars in the sky? Which items should we count for the inventory? Whom did you ask to count the votes? Whose turn is it to count the money? How do you count the total number of participants? Next, observe. Do teacher observe what student? Does the teacher observe what student? Did the teacher observe what the student did yesterday? Are the student observing what the teacher is doing? Is the teacher observing what the student is doing? Am I observing what the teacher is doing? Were the student observing what the teacher was doing? Was the teacher observe when did you first observe environmental change? Have the student observed what the teacher has done? Has the teacher observed what the student have done? Had the teacher observed what the student had done? What do you observe in the sky? Where can we observe with life? When did you first observe environmental change? Why do you scientists observe animal behavior? Who do you observe? Which patterns do you observe? Whom did you observe yesterday? Whose action do you observe? How do you observe the star? Next, correct. Do you think this answer is correct? Does this sentence sound correct? Did they choose the correct option? Am I correcting in my assumption? Are these answers correcting? Was the information given correcting? Were the instrument interaction correcting? Is this calculation correcting? Have you found the correct answer? Has she written the correct response? Had you the correct timing in mind? What is the correct way to solve this problem? Who has the correct answer to this question? Where did you get the correct detail? When will we receive the correct information? Why do you think this is the correct answer? How should I correct my pronunciation? Which one of these answers is correct? Whose answer is correct in the quiz? In this quiz? Whom did you discuss the correct answer? Next, blame. Do student blame teacher when they fail exam? Does the teacher blame the class for the noise? Did the teacher blame the wrong student for cheating? Am I being blamed for the missing books? Are students blamed for not submitting their homework? Is the principal blaming the teacher for the incident? Was the librarian blamed for losing the records? Were the students blamed for damaging school property? Have you ever blamed your friend for failing a group project? Has the teacher blamed anyone for the broken window? Had the school blamed the janitor before they found the truth? What do you blame him for? Who is to blame for the misunderstanding? When will you stop blaming him? Where did they blame the failure on? Why does she always blame others? Who did you feel when they blamed you? Which of your friends do you blame for this misunderstanding? Whom do you blame for the mistake? Whose report do you blame for the misinformation? Next, debate. Do you like to debate with your friend? Does she enjoy debating with others? Did you participate in the debate yesterday? Am I allowed to join the debate team? Are they preparing for a debate competition? Is this debate topic interesting for you? Was the debate held at your school? Were you nervous during the debate? Have you learned new things for debating? Has she been preparing for the debate for weeks? Had they already finished the debate when you arrived? What is the main topic of the debate? Who is participating in the debate? When did the debate start? Where can I watch the debate? Why did they choose this topic for the debate? How long will the debate last? Which debate format do you prefer, formal or informal? Formal or informal? Choose opinion. Do you support in the debate? Whom did you debate with last night? That's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you for the next exam. Thank you.